Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Yesterday I made a video on this uh, object to path, and I mentioned that I just got the light bulb off the internet, and they said, "How could you make it look so good?" Well, it doesn't look that good close up, but I could make it look good. I was just doing it for the video. So if you go to, I just typed in Christmas lights, but here's kind of the key under filters. I went extra large. You can look for all or extra large. And if you look for extra large and find that light bulb, and if we click on it, look at it, it's 11 or 1900 by 1136 DPI. I'm going to right click and copy the image. I'm going to go back into Corel. I am going to right click the mouse and paste. Now it becomes ultra big because that's the size of it. So I'm going to make it smaller to trace to make it easier for Corel, and I'm actually going to make this one look better. So we're going to go to trace, outline trace clip art, which I use 99% of the time. It's going to take just a little bit of time. It's already done. Take the trace version, and if you look, if we make we better make our background something other than yellow this time. We'll make our background blue, go up to object, order, back a page, and you can see there's nothing behind it. So all the white's gone. It's still grouped together. I'm going to rotate it because I wanted it up there. Now you can kind of see two lines around here. So what we're going to do is there's a lot we could do. Let's go to object and group and ungroup it first. And then let's take this yellow and take away the fill. Put an outline around it. Just get rid of that. Take that out completely. It's kind of jagged. We might have to break the curve apart to get that off. Now we've got that light bulb. Let's take the Smart Fill tool and let's go ahead and go with the yellow. And you see it looks so much better. And then you can make that kind of that glow effect by taking a oblong oval, make it a little bit of an angle, go ahead and put it on your light bulb, fill it with white and take away the outline, take that white and convert it to a bitmap. Might not even have to do that, but I always do it. Go to effects and blur, and we're going to Gaussian blur it. That's too much. We want just a little bit of a blur. Say okay. Now, everything else, depending on what you're going to use it for, everything else is pretty fine. Just hit the plus key on your keyboard and move that over. Take that and make it the next one red. Plus key on your keyboard, make that green. And your little fuzzy dots kind of stay there. Now, I would group them together, Control G, Control G, Control G. And then you could actually make multiples of them. So let's hit the plus key and do it here, and we'll go ahead and do that object to path again. We'll use this as a path. We'll grab these, open up object to path, shift select the path, and hit apply. And voila, you have your light bulbs. Now, same thing here. I don't understand. It's got two greens together. Well, I've got two greens. Maybe let's delete a green. So let's just have the three colors. Let's see what happens now. We're going to need to probably make more copies up here. Yep, if you want them a little closer together, let's make 6 copies. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.